viewers, welcome to Usman Chayin Physics Maths class. In our tutorial today, I shall provide a solution to the problem before us. The question to read: find the tension in the string if the coefficient of friction is 0.5. Take G to be 10 meters per second square. Okay, so in case if this is your first time watching this very video, I encourage you to go to YouTube and subscribe to Usman Chayin Physics Maths class. Follow Usman Chayin Physics Maths class on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram to enjoy all of his videos. So let's get started. For us to be able to calculate the tension on this very particular system, let us name this to be M1 and this should be M2. Okay, now considering the mass M1, all right, to find tension here we need a word, the net force. And for us to get net force, we must have this, which is a tension minus the frictional force, and the frictional force is given by the mu mg equal to ma. Remember, we're dealing with M1, so all this this is M1 and this is M1. Okay, now we substitute the variable directly into this our formula. So tension T is minus the mu is given as 0.5, which is a coefficient of friction 0.5, multiplied by the mass, which is 5, times G is given as 10, equal to 5 multiplied by A. All right, that is the first step. So we proceed. Now we have T minus 0.5 times 5 times 10 is equal to 25, equal to 5a, and this can be our equation 1. This is our equation 1. So let us then concentrate the M on M2. Okay, on this M2, for us to be able to find the tension, the frictional force is no longer there, so we have mg, which is M2 now, minus the tension equal to ma, and this is the M is M2. So coming over here, we have our M2 is 7.5, so we have 7.5, then times G, which is 10, minus T equal to 7.5 times A, and this is 75 minus T is equal to 7.5A, and this will be our equation 2. So if this is equation 2 and this is equation 1, it will be very easy for us to solve it. All right, so what we're actually going to do, we make T the subject in both equations. So considering equation 1, we will set our T is equal to 5a plus 25. Now in equation 2, we can also say our T is also equal to our T will be equal to 75 minus 7.5a. Now at this very point, if we can name this equation 3 and this will be equation 4. We equate equation 3 and 4. By equating equation 3 and 4, we will definitely going to have 5a plus 25 is equal to 75 minus 7.5a. all right, and if that is true, we will collect like terms. So here we have 5a plus 7.5a is equal to 75 minus 25. Coming over here, we are going to have d. All right, so we divide through by 12.5 by 12.5, and this will cancel out this. Our a is equal to 4 meters per second square, and this is the acceleration. But remember, we are not calculating the acceleration. All right, So that is just the pathway. So we have to fall back to any of these equations. So I pick equation 3. From this equation 3, which is t equals 7, t is equal to 5a, t is equal to 5a plus 25. So t is equal to 5 multiplied by the acceleration here is 4 plus 25. So 5 times 4 will give us 20 plus 25. So 20 plus 25 is 45. And this is the tension. So it's 45 Newton.